There is no luck in mortgage lending. Full disclosure, I'm not even Irish, but I thought this would be a great segue into talking about 10 traits that makes a good mortgage lender. I wrote down 10 things, okay? Starting with number 1. I'll try to get them out without having to look at my notes. Number 1 would be faith. Number 2 would be skill. 3, knowledge. 4, education. 5, experience. 6, energy. 7, motivation. 8, commitment. 9, focus. And guess what? You have to listen. Be a good listener. Listen to what your consumers are telling you. Don't be talking all the time. Anyway, that being said, if you are in relationship selling, if you are a referral partner, if you are a consumer, and you're not getting these 10 traits in your current relationship, I want to talk to you. I'm Jim Hanson. I normally say it at the beginning. 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web. And please, if you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, please migrate over to my YouTube channel, Jim Hanson Academy Mortgage. Subscribe. There are 150 educational videos in there, fun stuff, mortgage stuff, real estate stuff. Educate yourself, all right? Anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll catch up again next week. Thanks.